Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is a quick clip that we're going to get into that was from a previous video. But as always, not financial advice, for entertainment only. Do your own research. I'm invested in following coins and companies. And let's get into the clip. Terawulf announces March 2023 production update and operations. So they increased hash rate capacity by 65% in Q1 2023 to 3.3 exahash as of March 31st. So they're already at 3.3 at the end of March. March 2023 highlights continued ramp at Nautilus facility, the first Bitcoin mining facility powered by 100% nuclear power in the US, and exited the month with approximately 9,200 miners energized. So that's great there. They achieved an average operating hash rate of 3 exahash for the month, a 50% month-over-month increase compared to February. So that's really good there. And like I said, I love it when they provide actual numbers instead of hash rate averages because we can get a big swing in there. So that's great to see that they provided up top. Self-mined 233 Bitcoin in March with an average production rate of 7.5 Bitcoin per day, so that's good there. Power costs remain consistent with the company's target of 3.5 cents per kilowatt hour across its two mining sites with an average cost of 7,000 per Bitcoin produced, or approximately 0.032 or 3.2 cents per kilowatt in March. And then they continue construction on building 2 at Lake Mariner facility, where an additional 15 megawatts of self-mining capacity remains on target to come online in Q2 of 2023, so that's all good there. Okay, let's take a look at the numbers I have for them, and we'll call it a day. So let's see here. We need Terawulf. Okay. Terawulf has 186 million shares outstanding. Stock price right now is $1, so that's good. They've been coming up here. They did come down quite a bit. I think they were around 60 cents at one point, so they have been coming up here lately, so that's good. Market cap is 186 million right now. Current hash rate 3.3 exahash. Future hash rate is going to be about 5.3. They're saying 5.5. So we're pretty close to that. And then as far as their production is, they don't also hodl anything. They sell pretty much everything. Their production has been doing a lot better here. You can see consistent increases in production for the most part. They had a great increase here, obviously in March 233. That's the most they've mined. So this is a record for them, which is really good to see. The only thing that we're seeing here is their efficiency is kind of low, 69.97 for the month, but they installed a lot of miners. We always see that when a lot of miners are installed, efficiency always goes down during that time frame until things kind of equalize a little bit for them. So for the month, it looks like they made about 5.8 million. This is definitely their best month so far. And the miners that we got installed here in March are these, let me see here, these 100 terahash miners here, 4,500 of those. And there was another spot over here as well. Yep, 2,000 of these 140 terahash miners looks like possibly being installed as well. The other miners were running for about 25 days. It appears, based on the information that we do have, and that got us to the 5.8 million in revenue that they reported as well. Okay, so that was a good month for them. They got a lot of machines installed, which was great to see. Now they just need to continue adding those machines on to the facilities that they do have. Okay, institutions did increase for them a little bit here to 90, but shares went down a little bit here to 12.33 million compared to 12.34 million, and percentage owned went down a little bit as well to 6.62%. I think they had some dilution there as well. That's why that percentage owned has come down. Strong buy, 0 buy rating is 1. And then we have 0 hold and 0 underperform. 0 sell ratings on them. And we still have the same price targets, basically $2 across the board for high, average, and low. Based on all this information that we do have for them, as always, we're using the current quarter, which is an estimate. Then we're using the prior 3 quarters that were reported. And we're getting them to 22.7 million right now. I have them currently based on their previous quarters. I have them at about $1.22 right now to $1.83, but as they're growing more, we could definitely see them getting up a lot higher based on their future growth, because right now they're going to be about 12.3 million in this current quarter, Q1, that was, well, just ended a couple of weeks ago. And prior to that, I mean, that's almost 50% or 100% higher than it was in Q4 of 2022. So they are definitely going to be generating a lot more. If we just multiply the 12 times 4, we're looking at, what is that, 48 million in revenue. That's definitely going to bump their number up here for the stock price as well, as we get into further quarters down the road here. Okay, so that's it. Let me know what you guys thought of this. I thought both Iris Energy and Terawulf have been doing a fantastic job lately getting stuff installed, growing, and everything else. That's always something we want to see with these miners, is they got to continue to grow. We know that if you're not growing, you're basically going to be slowly bleeding out Bitcoin as time goes by. Okay, so that's it. And as always, you guys know the drill here. Let me see, where is it at? The Patreon members get access to all my spreadsheets. It's $4 a month if you want to get access to those. And I appreciate you guys watching the video.